Good morning, everyone, and welcome to our first online classroom together. Today we'll be looking at cybersecurity and how you can stay safe online. After today's lesson, you should have an understanding of what information you can share online. Be aware that people aren't always what they seem to be, and know what to do if you ever feel unsafe. Don't forget to take a look at the last page of the website for all the phone numbers for people you can contact if you ever feel unsafe or just need someone to talk to. Your devices, your passwords are the keys to a safe digital life. They should be a minimum of 10 to 12 characters using upper and lowercase letters, numbers and symbols to make them harder to crack. Do not use your birth date or other commonly known facts about you. Do not write them down, and most importantly, do not share them with anyone, not even your friends. If you're using public Wi-Fi, make sure you turn off your Bluetooth and your webcam. Don't open any unusual emails, and most importantly, turn off your location settings, as this is information what hackers can use to locate you. In creating a profile to use online, again, is important to not use any personal information. You could use just your first name, or preferably a nickname, or something related to a hobby, such as a cat lover or a bookworm. It's best not to upload a photo of yourself, but if you do, make sure it has no personal information about you, like your school uniform. Okay, so most of you already have social media and gaming accounts. You need to make sure that you have set strong passwords to protect your accounts from hackers, and make sure your settings are set to private, not public. Do not share yours or anyone else's personal information on social media or gaming sites, and you need to be very careful giving out information that people can use to locate you, even things such as where your parents work. Be aware of what people can see in the background if you are live streaming, such as photos of you in your school uniform, sporting trophies, or anything else that could give a hacker information about you. Do not accept friend requests from people that you don't know, as they may not be who they say they are. And if you ever feel unsafe or concerned about someone you have met online, talk to a responsible adult immediately. A digital footprint is a permanent history of everything you say, do, or post online, and it can be seen by anyone, anywhere, anytime, and it will be there forever. This is really important, as in the future, if you want to apply for a sports or educational scholarship, or even a job, what you've done today could affect your chances of being successful. Just stop and think about this statement that I used with my own children when they were growing up. Before you post a picture or send a text, would you do it face to face, or would you do it if your parents were standing right next to you? If the answer is no, then maybe you need to rethink what you are about to do. I'd now like you to take the rest of the lesson to have a look at the resources that I've assigned for you. Once you've done that, there is a crossword and a quiz for you to complete. Thanks for being here today. Stay safe and good luck.